Welcome to Let Me Share a Fun Fact, where we dive into the fascinating, the quirky, and the downright mind-blowing wonders of our world. Today, we're going to explore a mix of incredible tidbits, from the secret powers of animals to the surprising origins of everyday things. Ever wondered why octopuses have 3 hearts? Or how dromedaries can survive the harshest deserts without breaking a sweat? Maybe you're curious about the hidden history behind pizza or the mysterious ruins of Great Zimbabwe. Well, get ready, because we've got all that and more lined up for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's jump into these amazing facts that just might change the way you see the world. 3 hearts, 1 brain, the secrets of octopus circulation. Did you know that octopuses have not 1, but 3 hearts? This unique setup is what helps them survive in the deep sea. 2 of these hearts are responsible for pumping blood through the gills, where the octopus extracts oxygen from the water. The 3rd heart takes on the job of circulating this oxygen-rich blood throughout the rest of their body. It's a smart system that ensures their complex bodies get the oxygen they need, even in the cold depths of the ocean. What's even more fascinating is that when an octopus swims, the 3rd heart actually stops beating temporarily. This means that while they're gliding through the water, their bodies don't get as much oxygen, so they tend to prefer crawling rather than swimming. This 3-heart system, combined with their blue, copper-rich blood, makes octopuses some of the most interesting creatures in the ocean. It's just one of many ways these intelligent animals have adapted to life in the sea's darkest corners. Feeling the beat, how snakes sense vibrations. Snakes might lack external ears, but they have a secret ability that more than makes up for it. They can sense vibrations in the ground. This ability is a crucial part of their survival. It helps them detect both prey and potential predators, even if they're far out of sight. Using their jawbones, which are connected to their inner ears, snakes can pick up even the slightest tremors in the ground. This allows them to feel the movements of animals nearby. It's a bit like having a built-in seismograph. When a snake feels vibrations, it can decide whether it's time to go hunting or make a quick escape from danger. This ability is especially useful in environments like deserts or forests, where being alert to what's moving around is key to survival. So, the next time you see a snake slithering silently, remember that it's listening to the world in a way we humans can only imagine. A continent and country of extremes, Australia's venomous wonders. Australia holds a unique title. It's both a country and a continent, all in one. But beyond that geographic quirk, Australia is home to some of the world's most venomous creatures. This continent is known for its dangerous and often misunderstood wildlife. From venomous snakes like the inland taipan, known as the fierce snake, to the tiny but deadly box jellyfish that lurks in its waters, Australia's wildlife is filled with surprises. Even spiders like the funnel web and the redback are part of the dangerous lineup. Yet, this diversity makes Australia a fascinating place for scientists and nature lovers. It's a land where extreme conditions have given rise to a host of creatures with powerful defenses. While they may seem terrifying, these animals play vital roles in their ecosystems, keeping populations in balance. So, whether it's a stroll through the outback or a swim in the Great Barrier Reef, Australia's wildlife reminds us that nature's most incredible adaptations often come with a bite or a sting. Hotter than the sun, the blazing power of lightning. Lightning is one of nature's most electrifying spectacles, but did you know that it can actually be hotter than the surface of the sun? A single bolt of lightning can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, while the surface of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. This immense heat is generated in a flash, literally, when a lightning bolt rips through the air, creating a shockwave that we hear as thunder. The intense temperature causes the air around the bolt to expand rapidly, producing the rumbling sound we associate with thunderstorms. The heat and energy in lightning are so powerful that they can split trees, ignite wildfires, and even fuse sand into glassy formations called fulgurites. Despite its destructive potential, lightning is also a key player in nature, helping to balance atmospheric electricity. It's a reminder of just how powerful and unpredictable our planet's weather can be. Next time you watch a storm from a safe distance, remember you're witnessing one of nature's hottest phenomena. Nature's traps, the remarkable world of carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants are a perfect example of nature's ability to adapt and thrive, even in challenging environments. Unlike most plants, they don't rely solely on photosynthesis to get their nutrients. Instead, they have evolved incredible adaptations to catch and digest insects and other small organisms. Take the Venus flytrap, for instance. Its leaves snap shut when tiny hairs inside are triggered, trapping unsuspecting prey. Pitcher plants, on the other hand, use a slippery surface to lure insects into a deep, liquid-filled cavity where they are slowly digested. And then there's the sundew, which has sticky tentacles that curl around insects, holding them in place while enzymes do the rest. These adaptations allow carnivorous plants to thrive in nutrient-poor soils where other plants might struggle. While they might seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, carnivorous plants are a fascinating reminder of how life can find a way to flourish in the most unexpected places. Timekeepers of tradition, Switzerland's love for luxury watches. Switzerland is famous for its stunning landscapes, delicious chocolate, and precision-engineered pocket knives. But did you know that it's also the epicenter of the luxury watch industry? The Swiss have mastered the art of watchmaking, blending centuries-old traditions with modern technology to create timepieces that are known around the world. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega are just a few names that have become synonymous with quality and prestige. Swiss watchmakers use meticulous craftsmanship, often hand-assembling the intricate gears and mechanisms that keep these watches ticking perfectly. It's not just about telling time, it's about creating a piece of art that can be passed down through generations. The watch industry is so important to Switzerland that it's become a major part of the country's economy, bringing in billions each year. From simple yet elegant designs to watches encrusted with precious stones, Swiss watches are a blend of tradition, luxury, and timeless style. Enjoying these fun facts so far? If you love discovering new and fascinating things about our world, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here at Let Me Share a Fun Fact, there's always something new to learn and be amazed by. Don't miss out on the next adventure. How do fitness trackers really work? Fitness trackers have become a staple for anyone looking to monitor their health and physical activity. But how do these tiny devices actually work? At their core, fitness trackers use a combination of accelerometers, gyroscopes, and optical sensors to gather data about your movements. The accelerometer helps detect changes in your motion, like when you take steps or move your arms, while the gyroscope helps to understand the orientation and direction of your movements. Together, they can differentiate between activities like walking, running, or even climbing stairs. Optical sensors, on the other hand, use light to measure your heart rate by detecting changes in blood flow. This allows the tracker to give you insights into your cardiovascular health and activity intensity. With all this data, fitness trackers can provide detailed reports on everything from step counts to calories burned and even sleep patterns. It's like having a mini health coach on your wrist, constantly gathering data to help you make informed choices about your wellness. Surviving the heat, the dromedary's secret to staying hydrated. Dromedaries, also known as Arabian camels, have a unique adaptation that makes them perfectly suited for life in the desert. Unlike most animals, dromedaries can lose up to 25% of their body weight in water before they start to experience dehydration. This remarkable ability allows them to survive for days without drinking water, even in the scorching heat. When they do find water, they can drink up to 100 liters in just a few minutes, rapidly replenishing what they've lost. But their survival skills don't stop there. Dromedaries also have specialized kidneys that retain water and concentrate their urine, minimizing fluid loss. Their thick coats help insulate them against the sun, while their long legs keep their bodies elevated, reducing heat absorption from the hot desert sand. These adaptations make the dromedary an icon of resilience, perfectly engineered for the harsh conditions of desert life. It's a fascinating example of how evolution shapes creatures to thrive in the most challenging environments. Seeing the light, how some fish use their skin to detect changes. Imagine being able to sense light changes through your skin. Some fish can do just that. These fascinating creatures possess special cells called chromatophores that can detect variations in light even without using their eyes. This ability allows them to respond quickly to changes in their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. It's particularly useful for species that live in the ocean's depths, where light is scarce and predators are aplenty. By sensing light through their skin, these fish can adjust their colors or blend seamlessly into their environment, avoiding detection from predators or surprising unsuspecting prey. For example, certain types of flatfish use this sensory ability to match the color of the ocean floor beneath them. This adaptation gives them a distinct advantage in the underwater world, where survival often depends on being able to adapt quickly. It's yet another reminder of the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life under the sea, where even skin can become a powerful tool for survival. The disappearing giant, Lake Chad, shrinks away. Lake Chad, once one of Africa's largest lakes, has been steadily shrinking over the past few decades. Located in Central Africa, this lake was a vital water source for millions of people across Chad, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Niger. In the 1960s, Lake Chad stretched across 25,000 square kilometers, supporting thriving ecosystems and communities. But since then, it has lost more than 90% of its original size. Today, it covers just a fraction of that area. The reasons for this dramatic change include climate change, overuse of water for irrigation, and increased evaporation rates. As the lake shrinks, it has led to economic hardships for the people who depend on fishing, farming, and livestock. It has also affected wildlife that relied on the lake's waters. Efforts are underway to restore Lake Chad, but it's a daunting challenge that will require international cooperation. Lake Chad's story is a stark reminder of how human activity and environmental changes can alter the landscape, leaving a lasting impact on communities and nature. Wild and wise, the surprising intelligence of wild boars. Wild boars might not look like intellectuals, but they are far smarter than most people give them credit for. These animals have shown problem-solving abilities and social intelligence that rival those of some primates. In the wild, boars use their keen memory to navigate large territories, remembering the locations of food sources, water, and safe hiding spots. Their intelligence isn't just about survival, though they're also known for their adaptability. Wild boars can learn to open gates, avoid traps, and even work together in groups to find food. In some studies, they have demonstrated an understanding of basic tasks, such as using sticks to dig up hidden treats. This cleverness has allowed wild boars to thrive in a variety of environments, from dense forests to urban areas. But it also makes them a challenge for farmers and conservationists. Their intelligence, combined with their strength and resilience, makes wild boars one of nature's most underestimated problem solvers. Speed and power, the unexpected agility of rhinos. Rhinos might look like slow, lumbering giants, but don't let their size fool you. These animals can run at impressive speeds. Despite weighing up to 2,500 kilograms, a rhino can sprint at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many humans can run, and it makes them surprisingly agile when they need to be. This speed is especially crucial for young rhinos, who use it to escape from predators in the wild. But even adult rhinos can charge at high speeds if they feel threatened, turning their bulk into a powerful force. Their legs, though short, are packed with muscle, giving them the strength and momentum needed to reach such speeds. It's a reminder that in the animal kingdom, size doesn't always mean sluggishness. Rhinos are a testament to nature's ability to balance strength with speed, making them both powerful and surprisingly quick when the situation demands it. The roots of pizza, from Naples to the world. Pizza, the beloved dish enjoyed around the globe, has its roots in the streets of Naples, Italy. But did you know that the original version of this iconic food was quite different from what we enjoy today? In the 18th century, pizza began as a humble dish for the poor in Naples, made with basic ingredients like tomatoes, cheese, olive oil, and sometimes herbs. It was sold by street vendors and bakers to those who needed a quick, affordable meal. The introduction of tomatoes to Europe in the 16th century played a crucial role in shaping what we now recognize as pizza, despite initial skepticism about the fruit. As pizza gained popularity, its flavors evolved, but it wasn't until Italian immigrants brought their recipes to the United States that pizza began to spread globally. Today, you can find variations of pizza in every corner of the world, from thin crust to deep dish, topped with everything from pepperoni to pineapple. It's a testament to how a simple dish can transform into a worldwide culinary phenomenon. Spain's festival fever, the world's top music destination. When it comes to music festivals, Spain knows how to throw a party like no other. It's the country with the most music festivals per year, drawing millions of tourists to its vibrant events. From the electrifying beats of Primavera Sound in Barcelona to the alternative vibes of Mad Cool Festival in Madrid, Spain offers a festival experience for every music lover. These events are not just about the music, they're also a celebration of art, culture, and the laid-back Spanish lifestyle. Picture yourself dancing on a warm summer night, surrounded by thousands of fans, with the Mediterranean breeze in the air. That's the magic that draws people back to Spain's festivals year after year. Beyond the big-name festivals, Spain also hosts countless local celebrations that showcase traditional music, flamenco, and regional sounds. Whether you're into indie rock, electronic beats, or traditional Spanish rhythms, there's a festival in Spain that's just right for you. It's no wonder that music lovers from all over flock to this vibrant country. Understanding airplane cockpits, how pilots control the skies. Ever wondered what goes on inside the cockpit of an airplane? The control panel of an aircraft is like the nerve center, packed with instruments and dials that allow pilots to safely navigate the skies. These panels consolidate critical flight instruments, engine gauges, and navigation systems, giving pilots the information they need to make precise adjustments to speed, altitude, and direction. Some of the key components include the attitude indicator, which shows the plane's orientation, and the altimeter, which measures altitude. The autopilot system also plays a significant role, allowing pilots to maintain a steady course without constant manual input, especially during long flights. Despite the high-tech gadgets, pilots are still at the helm, making real-time decisions, especially during takeoff, landing, and unexpected weather changes. Modern aircraft cockpits, with their digital screens and sophisticated systems, are designed to make flying more efficient and safer than ever. It's a complex world behind those cockpit doors, where technology and human expertise come together to make air travel possible. Coffee in memory, the boost that keeps you sharp. Many of us rely on a cup of coffee to jumpstart our mornings, but did you know that caffeine might do more than just wake you up? Studies suggest that caffeine can actually improve long-term memory, helping you retain information better after learning something new. The magic happens because caffeine boosts the production of certain neurotransmitters, like norepinephrine, which play a role in alertness and memory formation. Researchers have found that consuming caffeine after a study session can enhance the consolidation of memories, making it easier to recall information later. However, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness or even hinder focus. So, while a cup or two might help you ace that big test or remember details from a presentation, downing a whole pot might have the opposite effect. It's a small but fascinating way that your morning brew can do more than just get you through the day. It can help you hold on to the things you learn along the way. Zimbabwe's Stone Mystery, the ancient ruins of Great Zimbabwe. Deep in the heart of Zimbabwe lies a historical treasure, the ruins of Great Zimbabwe, a sprawling stone city that dates back to the 11th century. This ancient site, with its massive walls and intricate stonework, is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancestors of the Shona people. Unlike many ancient structures around the world, Great Zimbabwe was built without mortar. The stones fit together so precisely that they've withstood centuries of weathering and time. The Great Enclosure, the largest stone structure in sub-Saharan Africa, is a highlight, with its mysterious conical tower and walls that reach up to 11 meters high. Historians believe that Great Zimbabwe was a thriving center of trade, connecting the region with distant lands like China and Persia through its exports of gold and ivory. Today, the ruins stand as a powerful symbol of Zimbabwe's rich cultural heritage and the sophisticated civilization that once flourished there. It's a place where history comes alive, telling stories of a remarkable past. Cameroon, Africa in miniature. Cameroon is often called Africa in miniature, and for good reason. This West African country boasts a remarkable diversity of landscapes, cultures, and wildlife, making it a microcosm of the entire continent. From the lush rainforests of the south to the arid Sahel region in the north, Cameroon is home to a variety of ecosystems that support a wide range of plant and animal species. You can find everything from mountain gorillas in the forests to elephants on the savannas. Its cultural diversity is equally impressive, with over 250 different ethnic groups, each with their own unique traditions, languages, and customs. The country's geography also includes coastal beaches, volcanic mountains like Mount Cameroon, and fertile highlands, offering a little bit of everything Africa has to offer. Whether you're exploring bustling markets in Douala, trekking through national parks, or experiencing traditional dances in remote villages, Cameroon provides a rich and varied experience. It's a country where you can truly see the essence of Africa all in one place. And that's a wrap on today's round of amazing facts. We hope you enjoyed learning about everything from nature's wildest adaptations to the hidden stories behind some of our favorite places and traditions. Which one of these fun facts surprised you the most? And which ones were already in your knowledge bank? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending facts and stories every week, right here on Let Me Share a Fun Fact. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.